375 grams of all-purpose flour, half tablespoon of instant dry yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 35 grams of sugar, granulated sugar. Okay, combine together. 1 cup of room temperature water, 1 teaspoon of combo flavor or bread flavor, 50 grams of margarine or butter, whichever one you have. Knead and combine together. Extra 1 tablespoon or 3 teaspoons of water, combine together. It will give you a tacky or sticky dough like that. Transfer onto a work surface and knead. Cover this for 20 minutes, and after 20 minutes come back to it and knead for a little time again. Check for window panes. This part is very crucial. Now roll out this dough just as you see in the video and spread with powdered milk or milk powder. Fold up or roll up your dough. Pinch all edges so that it closes fast and very well. Now you're going to follow this video, cut your dough just as you see in the video and bread the dough. Transfer the breaded dough into your greased loaf pan, and then you are ready to allow it to proof. Proof this for 1 to 2 hours, and once they are ready, pop into your preheated oven and bake according to your oven temperature. Take it out of the pan, allow it to cool down completely, and you are ready to enjoy this awesome bread. Your amazing dusty milk bread is ready, guys. Enjoy!